Good morning, my dear students. Today we will discuss four-year series. First of all, four-year series అనగానే మీకు గుర్తు రావాల్సింది ఏంటంటే యూలర్స్ ఫార్ములా. యూలర్స్ ఫార్ములే గుర్తు రావాలి. యూలర్స్ ఫార్ములా. వాట్ ఈజ్ యూలర్స్ ఫార్ములా? It will be defined in the interval c to c plus 2 pi. C is nothing but it is a constant. So f of x is equal a naught by 2 plus summation n is equal 1 to infinity an cos nx plus bn sin nx. This is the Fourier series. Fourier series, one function that will be expressed in series of terms. So where we will consider a naught is nothing but constant an bn. We have to find a naught an bn values by using its corresponding formula 1 by pi integral c to c plus 2 pi f of x dx. F of x dx. This is the, to calculating a naught we will use this formula. Coming to an, 1 by pi integral c to c plus 2 pi. This will be at beside coefficient of cos nx, so we can take f of x into cos nx dx. Like similarly, bn is equal 1 by pi integral c to c plus 2 pi, c plus 2 pi into f of x into sin nx dx. This is nothing but Euler's formula. Euler's formula, series of expansion, this one. So based on this formula, we will divide Fourier series into three different parts. That is your Fourier series. Your Fourier series will be divided into three different categories. That is, in between 0 to 2 pi interval, how the Fourier series will be expressed. This one we will divide into first module. Second module, that will be expressed in between minus pi to pi. In this category, we will divide into even odd functions also. Even odd functions also. In third category, we will discuss this one in between 0 to pi interval. It will be discussed in between 0 to pi. Here we will discuss half range sine series as well as half range cosine series. After that, in fourth category, it is the intervals different between L to L, means any values. Fourth category, it will be any values. First of all, I will explain concept of this Fourier series for 0 to 2 pi model, pi to pi, minus pi to pi model, 0 to pi model, and L to minus L to L model. Then we will discuss about problems. First of all, concept of first model that will be expressed in 0 to 2 pi. In this, how the Fourier series will be presents, means lower limit is 0, upper limit is 2 pi. So your Fourier series will be expressed as f of x is equal a naught by 2 plus summation n is equal 1 to infinity an cos nx plus bn sin nx. So this is the series where we have to discuss a naught is equal 1 by pi integral 0 to 2 pi. This 0 is nothing but lower limit of this one. 2 pi is nothing but upper limit. 0 to 2 pi into f of x dx. Using this formula, we are finding a naught value. Like similarly, to finding a n value, 1 by pi integral 0 to 2 pi f of x into cos nx dx. Like similarly, bn value 1 by pi into integral 0 to 2 pi f of x into sin nx. So this is the series in the interval between 0 to 2 pi model. This is the series, Fourier series in between 0 to 2 pi model. Like similarly, we have discussed minus pi to pi model. Second model, that second model will be discussed in between minus pi to pi interval. Minus pi to pi interval. In this, how the Fourier series will be appeared. So f of x is nothing but Fourier series a naught by 2 plus summation n is equal 1 to infinity an cos nx plus bn sin nx. This is the Fourier series. It will be for minus pi to pi, where 1 by pi a naught is, where a naught is nothing but 1 by pi into integral minus pi to pi f of x into dx. Here previous case 0 to 2 pi is there. Here minus pi to pi. Why? Because the intervals are changed, minus pi to pi. So here minus pi to pi f of x into dx. Like similarly, an is equal 1 by pi integral minus pi to pi f of x into cos nx dx. Here bn is equal 1 by pi integral minus pi to pi f of x into sin nx dx. So when we will compare previous case, now here just we will change the intervals from minus pi to pi, and here whenever the intervals are appeared minus pi to pi, it will be categorized into two different cases. That is, one is even function, other one will be odd function. For even function, how the function will be appeared means f of x is equal f of minus x, or we will call f of minus x is equal, if it is f of x, then it is belongs to the even function. f of minus x is equal to f of x అయితే దాన్ని ఈవెన్ ఫంక్షన్ అనాలి. Example, you can consider f of x is equal x square. We have to place in x place minus x. F of minus x is equal minus x whole square, that is nothing but x square only. X square means f of x. So it is even function. Example, like x square, x to the power of 4, cos x, sec x, and two odd functions, x into sin x and mod f of x. Mod unna functions like mod x, mod sin x, these all are belongs to the even functions only. These all are belongs to the even functions only. Now similar way, odd functions case, here f of minus x is equal minus f of x. When f of minus x is equal minus f of x, then it is belongs to the odd function. You can treat example, f of x is equal x cube. F of x place you can put minus x, that is minus x whole cube, that is nothing but minus x cube. This is nothing but minus f of x. So it is belongs to the odd function. Like x cube, sin x, tan x, like cosec x, cot x, x cos x. One is even function, another one is odd function. These all are belongs to the odd functions. These all are appeared in your questions. These all are odd functions. For this even function, how the Fourier series will be appeared. For odd functions, how the Fourier series will be appeared. For even function, f of x is equal a naught by 2 plus summation n is equal 1 to infinity n cos nx. This is the Fourier series where you have to consider a naught is equal 2 by pi integral 0 to pi f of x into dx. మైనస్ పై నుంచి పై మధ్యలో ఉండేది ఇక్కడ 0 to పై తీసుకొని 2 టైమ్స్ చేశాను. అంటే దిస్ ఇస్ ద 0, దిస్ ఇస్ ద మైనస్ పై, హియర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ పై. So whenever we are writing minus pi to pi, that will be split into 0 to 2 times of 0 to pi. That will be expressed 2 by pi 0 to pi f of x into dx. Like similarly, an is equal 2 by pi integral 0 to pi f of x into cos nx dx, where there is no bn function will be 0, bn function will be 0 for even functions, bn function will be 0 for even function. Similarly, you can write f of x is equal summation n is equal 1 to infinity bn into sin nx, where bn is equal 2 by pi integral 0 to pi f of x into sin nx dx, where a naught is 0, bn is 0, an is 0, an is 0 for odd functions. Odd functions key, very important point. For odd functions just we will calculate bn only. For even function we will calculate a naught and an, both functions. So that point you have to remember, very most important. Like we will go to third category. The third category belongs to the 0 to pi model. 0 to pi model. 0 to pi is nothing but, in previous cases we will find like this is the 0 to 2 pi, or here minus pi to pi also we have discussed. This is the minus pi to pi. Now this one will be only 0 to pi. 0 to pi means this is the only half section, only it is half section, 0 to pi. That's why it is called half range series. In this half range series we will define in two different categories, that is half range cosine series, as well as half range sine series. In the interval 0 to pi we will define in two different categories, that are half range sine, half range cosine series. For half range cosine, like even function, you have to consider f of x is equal a naught by 2 plus summation n is equal 1 to infinity n cos nx, where bn is not appeared, bn value is 0. So in this case, where we will consider a naught is equal 2 by pi integral 0 to pi f of x into dx. Similarly, an value is also 2 by pi integral 0 to pi f of x into cos nx dx, where bn is not there, its value is 0. This is used for half range cosine series. Half range cosine series అంటే ఈవెన్ ఫంక్షన్ లాగా క్యాల్కులేట్ చేయాలి. కానీ క్వశ్చన్లో మెన్షన్ చేస్తాడు ఫైండ్ హాఫ్ రేంజ్ కొసైన్ సిరీస్. అది ఆడ్ ఫంక్షన్ అయినా ఈవెన్ ఫంక్షన్ అయినా హాఫ్ రేంజ్ కొసైన్ సిరీస్ అంటే చాలు, ఈ ఫార్ములాస్ వాడాలి. నెక్స్ట్ హాఫ్ రేంజ్ సైన్ సిరీస్కి ఆడ్ ఫంక్షన్ లాగా ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ ఇజ్ ఈక్వల్ సమేషన్ ఎన్ ఇజ్ ఈక్వల్ 1 to infinity bn into sin nx, where here bn value is 2 by pi integral 0 to pi f of x into sin nx dx. Remaining means an is equal 0 as well as a naught is equal 0. This is for half range sine series method, half range sine series method, half range cosine series method. And finally, last and final model, this will be 0 to 2l or minus l to l or 0 to l model. This is also called as change of intervals antam. Change of intervals. In this case, your function Fourier series will be appeared f of x is equal a naught by 2 plus summation n is equal 1 to infinity an cos n pi x by l n pi x by l plus bn into sin n pi x by l. This is the Fourier series where we will use the formulas a naught is equal 1 by l integral 0 to 2l f of x into dx. If the intervals are 0 to 2l, we can use 0 to 2l. If the intervals are minus pi to minus l to l, we can use that one 0 to l. This is like a half range series, half range sine series, half range cosine series, like that. 1 by l integral 0 to 2l f of x into cos n pi x by l into dx, where bn is equal 1 by l integral 0 to 2l f of x into sin n pi x by l into dx. If it is even and odd functions, similarly you can take that one. A naught value is 2 by l integral 0 to l f of x into dx. An is equal 2 by l integral 0 to l into f of x into cos n pi x by l into dx. Like bn is equal 2 by l integral 0 to l f of x into sin n pi x by l dx. So like using these formulas, 4 different categories we have to solve problems. From these, in your ESET examination point of view, just it will be calculated either a naught or an or bn values, either in half range series or half range sine series or cosine series, or even and odd functions, or direct 0 to 2 pi interval full cycle. In this case, we have to learn some more formulas used in Fourier series. Is, that is nothing but cos 0 value, it must be 1. Cos 2n pi value, it is also 1. Cos pi value minus 1. Cos n pi value, it is minus 1 to the power of n. Cos pi by 2 value, that is 0. Like here, sine values, sine 0 is 0, sine 2n pi, it is 0, sine pi, it is 0, sine n pi, its value is 0, sine pi by 2, its value is 1. These are used in Fourier series. Now we have seen problems on this topic. We have to take, if f of x is equal, general formula, x square with intervals 0 to 2 pi, find Fourier series. నేను నార్మల్గా క్వశ్చన్ తీసుకున్నా, మీకు ఏ నాటా, ఏఎన్నా, బిఎన్నా, ఇప్పటివరకు వచ్చిన ఈసెట్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూలో ఫార్ములాసే ఎక్కువ వచ్చాయి, ఇప్పటివరకు చెప్పిన ఫార్ములాసే. సో ఏ నాట్, ఏఎన్, బిఎన్ కూడా ఏదో ఒకటి అడిగే అవకాశం ఉంది. ఇది ఒకసారి చూడండి. ఈ 0 to 2 pi ఇంటర్వెల్ కాబట్టి దిస్ ఇస్ బిలాంగ్స్ టు ది ఫస్ట్ మోడల్. మీ ఫస్ట్ మోడల్లో ఫార్ములాస్ ఏమున్నాయో అవన్నీ గుర్తుకు రావాలి ఇక్కడ. సో ఫోరియర్ సిరీస్ ఏంటి? ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ ఇజ్ ఈక్వల్ a naught by 2 plus summation n is equal 1 to infinity an cos nx plus bn sin nx. This is the formula. Fourier series expansion. Here you have to find a naught value. A naught is equal 1 by pi integral 0 to 2 pi f of x into dx. What is f of x value? X square. You can substitute here x square 1 by pi integral 0 to 2 pi x square into dx. So 1 by pi x square means its corresponding integration x cube by 3 0 to 2 pi. 3 ni mundu rastunna constant kabatti 1 by 3 pi. Here x cube whole to the power of 0 to 2 pi. First upper limits you can substitute, then you have to substitute lower limit. 1 by 3 pi. here 2 pi whole cube minus 0 whole cube, that is nothing but 1 by 3 pi into 8 pi cube. ఒక pi cancel, so 8 pi square by 3, this is the a naught value. ఇలా ఏదో ఒకటే పార్ట్ అడిగే అవకాశం ఉంది. లేకపోతే నెక్స్ట్ ఏంటి, an యూ కెన్ క్యాల్కులేట్. an వాల్యూ ఏంటి, 1 by pi ఇంటిగ్రల్ 0 to 2 pi f of x into cos nx dx, cos nx dx. So here f of x is nothing but x square 1 by pi integral 0 to 2 pi x square into cos nx dx. This is the an value. So here u, this is the v, u is equal to x square, v is equal to cos nx. X square differentiation 2x, 2x differentiation 2 differentiation is 0. Like here cos function, for cos function cos integration is sin nx by n. Again here integration is minus cos nx by n square. Again integration minus as it is, cos means sin nx by n cube. These two you can multiply uv method. Integration lo uv method shortcut cheppanu kada, same similar way, one is plus minus plus. So now an value is equal 1 by pi into here plus into plus plus x square sin nx by n, minus into minus plus 2x cos nx by n square. Here plus into minus, again plus into minus, minus 2 sin nx by n cube. Here limits are 0 to 2 pi. First you have to substitute 2 pi value here. 2 పైని సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయండి, తర్వాత 0ని సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయండి. ఇంతకుముందు చెప్పాను సైన్లో ఏం సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసినా 0నే. సో సైన్ ఉంది 2 పై 0 కాబట్టి 0 రాస్తున్నా. కాస్ ఉంది, ఇక్కడ వాల్యూ ఉంటుంది, కాస్ వాల్యూ కాస్ 2 పై వాల్యూ 1 కాబట్టి ఎక్స్ ప్లేస్లో 2 పై కాస్ n పై అంటే 1 బై n స్క్వేర్ రాశాను. మైనస్ సైన్ ఫంక్షన్ ఈజ్ 0. లైక్ సిమిలర్లీ మైనస్ లోవర్ లిమిట్ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే 0 into something total 0, again 0 into something x value is 0 కాబట్టి 0 into something sin 0 0. So your answer is pi cancel, 4 by n square, this is the 4 by n square, pi cancel, 2 into 2 4 by n square, this is the an value. An value is this one. Like next we have to find its corresponding bn value. So now you can consider for bn value. bn value kosam em cheyali, what is formula, 1 by pi integral 0 to 2 pi f of x into sin nx dx, f of x into sin nx dx. What is f of x function, 1 by pi into integral 0 to 2 pi x means x square sin nx dx. So this is u, this one is v. u is equal x square, v is equal sin nx. So x square differentiation is 2x, 2x differentiation is 2, 2 differentiation is 0. Like here sin nx differentiation is minus cos nx by n, here again minus cos integration sin nx by n square, again here sin minus cos, so minus into minus plus cos nx by n cube. These two you can multiply, plus sign, these two minus sign, these two plus sign. This one only shortcut, ఇంకా లెంతీగా వస్తుంది కానీ తగ్గదు. So x square, this one minus x square into cos nx by n, minus into minus plus 2x into sin nx by n square, here minus into plus 2 cos nx by n cube, 2 cos nx by n cube. Here limits are 0 to 2 pi, 0 to 2 pi. First you have to substitute 2 pi value here, then you can substitute 0. Cos 2 pi value exists, that's why 2 pi whole square into 1 by n. Sin 2 pi 0, cos 2 pi exists, 2 into 1 by ఎన్ క్యూబ్. కాస్ ఎన్ ఫై అనే వాల్యూ 1 కాబట్టి 1 రాస్తున్నా. ఇక్కడ కూడా కాస్ ఎన్ ఫై వాల్యూ 1 కాబట్టి 1 రాస్తున్నా. 2/n క్యూబ్ మైనస్ యూ కెన్ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ 0 into something, total 0. Here also 0 into something, 0. Here cos 0 means 1. 2/n cube. So this is the plus value, this one is minus value, cancel. Here 1/pi into minus 4pi square by n. ఒక పై క్యాన్సిల్ అయితే bn వాల్యూ ఏమైంది మైనస్ 4pi/n. సో మీకు ఎగ్జామ్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూలో ఏ0 అయినా అడుగుతాడు, an అయినా అడుగుతాడు, లేకపోతే bn అయినా అడుగుతాడు, వాటి ఫార్ములాస్ అయినా అడుగుతాడు. సో ఈ కాన్సెప్ట్ బాగా నేర్చుకోండి. ఈ కాన్సెప్ట్ అన్ని ఇంటర్వెల్స్ 0 to 2π మధ్యలో ఎలా రాయాలి, -π to π, ఈవెన్ ఫంక్షన్, ఆడ్ ఫంక్షన్, హాఫ్ రేంజ్ సిరీస్, సైన్ సిరీస్, కోసైన్ సిరీస్ నేర్చుకోండి. నెక్స్ట్ వీడియోలో కొన్ని ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను ప్రతి మోడల్ నుంచి. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఆల్.